You know what? I've kept it all PC.
Oh, Macca's one.
Yeah. But Adam here wants to see the sea. See the sea. This is it. Every year, the mighty shred, we are going to the Lake District. Let's rock. This year's steed will be the cocaine train. She's packed and she's ready to go. Got my Oxford T30 on there. And the bobhead handlebar bags. Got the quad lock. We're going Insta 360. We're going to be running the new slattered Memphis shades just for a bit of a meaner look. Oh, she looks a behooty. Find me a comfier seat than that La Perra. I dare you. So my only issue now is it's going to be red hot. It's been raining for the last 4 or 5 months constantly in the UK. It's been ridiculous, but we're about to hit 20 to 25 degrees or something ridiculous this entire weekend. It's going to be incredible. And I don't know what helmet to use. So I've got my good old HJC V10. Love this helmet. Absolutely love it. There's my modular RPHA from HJC. The 91. This is a wicked helmet. Absolutely brilliant. But I've installed a chin mount. Now, I'm reading a lot of negative press on the chin mount. And I don't want to lose my Ace Pro. So I might not use that one yet. So it takes us down to... Let's go Street Fighter, baby. The Nexx. Absolutely love this helmet. It's incredible. So I might use this one. Oh, yes, bro. Yes, bro. So it's got a massive field of view. It's great. And then you've got... I feel like a fighter pilot in this thing. Absolute. Where is it? Where is it? Absolutely love it. And there's so many vents. I'm going to do a review on this at some point. So I'm thinking of using this one. I think I'm going to go with my V10 because I got my music playing. Bike's out. Sun's out. That means road trip. So we're about to undertake an epic voyage across the Lake District, lands, seas and everything. Yeah, we're going to the mighty shred organised by Macca Jericho. If you don't already follow him, go check out his channel. Yeah, we're going to the Lake District. We're going to do all the passes. Hardknott Pass, one of the hardest roads in the country without a single doubt. Switchbacks off camber, but the scenery is stupendous. So we're also trying out the new pipes on a long run. New Bassani Rippers. Oh, I'm looking forward to today. So you're in for an absolute treat today, guys. I think there's going to be 20, 30, 40 bikes. We're not too sure. Just enjoy. So I'll get back to you when we meet up with the crew. Boom. This one. Geezer. That is how to make an entrance.
Wow, so much, man.
You good?
Nah.
Right then, peeps. We've got Ross, we've got Chris. En route now to go meet Alex. We've got the GG. Going to meet Alex and then meet up with Macca and the boys. And we're off to the mighty shred. I've got Carl and Jay behind me. We need some fuel and we're going to hit Matlock Bath for some food. Yeah. I'm ready. 145.7 a litre. Nice. Super juice. Right, let's go.
You all right, mate?
Netflix on the way.
Watching Netflix on the road, look. Choo, choo, choo. The four of us. And we're off to meet Macca shortly.
Head north,
Quick
then
catch
turn
up.
left.
Goddamn sat nav. Yeah, so quick catch up. Picked up Alex. Look at this whip. They're nice. He's getting his boat right off. Chris, get a little. Get some beans. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. Yes. That just broke the camera.
In a quarter of a mile, you will arrive at your destination.
I think it was, wasn't it? Where's that? Yeah. They're probably just late, mate. Macca's always late. Yeah. Macca, where the hell are you, you mighty tool?
Kurt Russell's turned up. We got there, Paulie boy.
Fat egg.
Nice.
One sugar.
Fat egg. Yes. That's some serious meat, bro. Meat. Bro. Got a wedge.
Breaded, take that.
Wedge, man. Wedge. Get in here.
Still on. You know what? I didn't even really safety check mine. I was just like, that'll do. Then got some bungee straps around it. So we're late. We parked the wrong side of Matlock Bath. Yo. Here's the gang, look. Dude.
Salads.
Drag one over.
Ross.
Hello.
Alex.
Mate. Boys. Alright.
Yours. Gang.
Oh, Adam's navigation skills. Coming down the A38, we're like, here's the A6 exit, go straight past it. Carries on, straight past it. Me and Ross were both like, what the fuck?
Note self, don't ever let me leave. Do not let me lead the group.
Just needed my wig, didn't I? Yeah. Just needed my wig.
Always late.
Blonde Adam makes an entrance in a fashion.
You're not meant to be here.
Back off. No.
You're not meant to be here.
I am, it's Saturday.
You aren't supposed to come to tomorrow.
What day is it? It's Thursday, isn't it? Is it Saturday?
Yeah, he's with me.
I'm at work today, I'm at work tomorrow. To be fair, I'm at work Saturday and Sunday as well. Stop
Are you at work?
recording. Come on, man.
No.
Here's Davey.
Yes, bro. Nice.
Look at him, look. You're not riding like that, are you? Just beefed out. Bosh. Here we go. Let's get some height on it. Doesn't need to be right up in there. So, switch my remote on. Remote on. I can't see my remote, dude. What are you doing? Climb over that way. You're a nightmare. What a douche. Yes, X4. Boom. Sorted.
You go out first, mate.
Cheers. Quad lock on. Excellent. Look at him, lot. Get out bloody way. You great donkey. You just all need to understand that Carl is moaning because it's warm.
Hey?
You've had 5 months of rain and cold and crap, and you've literally 1 day of sun and you've moaned because it's warm.
I'm just saying it's warm. I'm stating a fact.
No, you didn't. You went, oh my, it's
I'm not
warm.
talking about out, mate. Apart from how nice this is.
Bruh. Oh my god, it's like a starship. It's like, where's the other end? I can't even touch the end, man. Look at it. It's kind of like, you're right back here, dude. Fucking cholo. More like stretch my ass out. Where are they? Oh, it's like waiting for Christmas. We're off. Let's get to where we're going. Shit, I forgot to text Dougie. Oh, crap. The downside to the Via Gellia, although it's such a beautiful road, look at it, beautiful. It's that thing there, look. Always wagons on this road. There's so many quarries, so many processing plants. Look at them, look. So dangerous this road is, but magnificent. Where's everybody gone? Oh my god, I'm going like 20 miles an hour and I've lost everybody. At least Jay's with me on his MT. It's just the Harleys, I lost them. And so young Davey, with his Fast Johnnie, decided to pull up alongside me about 10 miles ago and say, I've got 30-mile range left in my tank. Look into my eyes. Ah! This is the Cat and Fiddle. And oh, petrol station. Because Davey needs fuel. Oh, stop. Go, we'll wait for you. You're not here. I can't talk to you, you're not here. Fast Johnnie, Rubber Johnnie needs fuel. Needs fuel.
Oh, right.
We get to beat the fuck out of him in Morecambe.
Good.
Right, we need to angle your here, look. Undo this. There we go. Look at me, look. Setting you up like a pro now, look, dude.
Pro. YouTuber.
Pro. David's run out of fuel.
Oh.
I know, I'll go on a tour with no fuel in my tank. David's run out of fuel. And I'm not joking.
Run out?
Yeah.
Fucking eyes are wide.
Jay, camera.
Yeah, sit down, road, mate.
Photo. Got it? Shit. How many miles you got?
25.
25. Okay.
Oh, now seems as good a time as any to look at the rare bikes that we've got. Here it is.
You have to siphon a little bit out of every tank.
Yeah. Here's the cocaine train. This is a weapon. Fast Johnnie. Fast Johnnie's not that fast with no fuel.
Fast Johnnie's not very fast today, is it? It's not fast. It's holding us up. Fast Johnnie's holding us up.
Have you seen the mascot?
I know, right?
Hey up, Macca! Have you seen the mascot?
Yeah, I've seen it. He's not happy that I haven't filled up before we met.
Well, that's Macca, he's never happy. Never happy.
We're ready!
We're back on.
Back on, game on.
Go on, let's go.
Back on. And that completes the bikes.
Right, Cat and Fiddle. this bro here, look, tuning his bike. What is it? Power Commander or something?
Yeah, Power Vision.
Dynojet.
Power Vision, yeah. Dynojet, Power Vision 3.
Tune on to go.
Are you at the travel lodge, are you?
No, I'm on the front in Morecambe. There's some others at the travel lodge. Yeah. Listen to the chop on that. Nice, nice. You're about to see magic. There goes Dougie. Wait till he slows the traffic down. Here he comes. Yes, bro! Dougie's back. Woo! Don't land on me, baby. Look at that. Triumph has broke down, so we're going to pull over. This is just a nightmare. Break down, break down. This is the legend himself, the main Doug. I'm just saying, the legend. You're a legend. Oh, I forgot. This beauty. This was painted by B&H. This is a 100-year anniversary model, and he's painted it. What a douche. Oh my God. Hell yeah.
Yes, bro. That's when you need your sheriff badge. Right, so we've had a breakdown. Ross has some issue with his battery, so we've pulled over at the side of the road, and we're going to get 5 minutes, and hopefully they've got. Yeah, I've just rang him. Yeah, I've just rang him.
Update: the Triumph battery's gone. Dougie went to help him. I think he took a wrong turn, but he's ended up back here before they have, because they're on the way in now, because they've got the Triumph working by taking the battery out and putting the battery back in. So it turns out, I think the battery cable was loose. Rookie mistake, people. Rookie mistake. Oh! Oh, let's ride. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Doug is going to enforce us the way through for filtering. Woo! Here we go. I'm having a helmet malfunction. It's really hurting my head. I've had my hair cut and now the helmet's too big. This is not good. Oh, so we've pulled into Preston Services. There we are, after filtering. We found some of our crew that's coming up. This is awesome. Right, quick drinks. Let's do this. Yes. Ready to rock? Are you ready? Your flies undone.
Gladiators.
Ready. 3, 2. Slow Johnnie. Rubber Johnnie. But out of the way. Get out of here. Let's do this. Are we sticking at the back? Are we sticking you at the back? Do you want to go at the back? Backfiring at me. I think I've got an air leak somewhere. Oh, crew's still alive, look. The Wild South West Posse. Yeah, bro. Are we nearly here or what?
Hey?
Are we nearly there?
Fucking hope so.
Rolling in, bro, rolling in. I guess that's where I'm going to fill up in the morning. Ready for day 2 at the BP Ultimate. Yeah, check this. I can see the sea from here, pal. Oh, brilliant. That is where I am. Yeah.
Turn back round, park in front of it. On the patio area in the front.
Right. What? Is he? It's parked there then? Yeah. I'll follow you guys. Oh dear. Carl! Carl, don't be a dick and stick your fucking mark down there. Is that part of the Clifton down there? Hey? Is that part of the Clifton? Yeah, stick your bike right down there. Get everybody in. There's about 8 bikes, man. Come on, get down there.
I didn't realise there were like 20.
Yeah, get down there. Kid him, lot. Seriously, man. Oh, are we in?
Yeah. Well, that one.
We need to just leave enough space. Stick yours in the back. People have got to walk out. Fucking hell. People have got to walk out. So stick it there. You can come a bit further than that, man. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. Yeah, that'll do. That's it. Lovely. Go on, lad. Yes, bro. This is what I'm talking about. What's Slow Johnnie doing? Look at him, lot. Ah, he's followed us. He don't know where he's going, does he? Yeah.
This ain't Fawlty Towers, I don't know what it is.
Mate, this is brilliant. Oh, it always is, man.
I'll tell you what, I'll just laugh it to myself.
Right, let's get inside.
Overtake him back, overtake him back, overtake him back.
Well, when I did 2 dams, it just went.
I was like, fucking ends front ends game. I was like, look at it. I sat back going, look at the kids play, look.
Right then, we are in Morecambe at last. The guys are all over the place on the phone. But Adam here wants to see the sea.
We've come to see the sea.
Come to see the sea.
Here's the sea. There's the sea, bro. Right, I want pizza. Let's go.
Pizza.
Right, dude.
Fill the lungs, fill the lungs.
Fill the lungs. Let's take a photo. Hang on, stay there, dude. Stay there. Come this way a bit. Come this way a bit. There. Oh, that's a beauty. Let me just press on that. Ooh, boosh. Right, let's go this way because the sun's on there. Stand there, stand there. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Bosh. Come on, then, Davey, get in. Come on, Davey, get in. Davey wants one. Come that way, Adam. You ready?
That's the one.
Bosh. Right, somebody take one of me.
Oh, my new post today.
New post.
Yes. Hang on, new post.
Is that Dwayne the Rock Johnson,
Yeah.
sort of like
Was that a good
top,
one?
top rope? Yep.
Go there again.
That's awesome. Love that. Oh, he's got a camera.
Got a camera. There you go.
We're still rolling.
Davey has finally managed to actually come to something.
It's been a few years.
Few years.
A few.
Last time, I think I threatened to flail your skin.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's why I'm here this time.
It's in the same hotel. I'm worried. I'm locking my door at night. Right, we're going to go to the Palatine, which is... I think it's there.
Oh. Right down there, look. Which way is it? Get it here. Back on!
Let's see what Bodyguard's got to say. Bodyguard, what you got to say? Not for the camera. Did you get that? Not for the camera.
Nearly a year.
Deep in thought.
Fantastic question.
Words of wisdom. What you got?
Mine?
Yeah.
I was really fucking hurting, man.
Come on. Words of wisdom.
Right, no, wait. No, I haven't got any. Words, right, if you've got a scab, rub butter around it, it lifts the dry skin off it. It also makes the scabs taste nicer. just for YouTube. There you go.
I think that might be edited out. Shout out to our host for this evening's festivities.
Let's hear it for our first dancers of the evening.
The Palatine. The Palatine in Morecambe.
Power of music.
Come say hello.
Come on, let's stick together. You know it ain't about. It's time to stay together. It's not in the way you look or the things that you say or you do. Hold the light. Love isn't always on time.
Priced him in. Say hello, cameraman.
Yes, bro. It's getting a bit warm. How right is it? 20 what? 24. Bro, man's going swimming. Yes, bro! Right. Cheers, Bobheads. It's been emotional. Now it's time for Nexx Pass. We had a bit of a casualty over Tasty Carl. We think he died.
Rob's rock.